I'll guide you through how to download an Amazon product video without downloading unsafe extensions or extra software. If you're looking to save an Amazon video for research, or you want to download your own content for reuse, and you want to download a product video, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Here is the complete process to download an Amazon product video. Method 1. The page source method. Let's start with the page source method, which is ideal for any product video. This free method works on any web browser and is great for downloading videos from any product page. Go to the Amazon product page with the video you want. Right-click on the page and select View Page Source. A new window will open with the website's code. Use the Find function by pressing Ctrl F or Command F on Mac and type in .mp4. You will see a highlighted URL that ends in .mp4. Copy this entire URL. Paste the URL into a new browser tab and press Enter. The video will open directly in the tab. Click the three dots on the right side of the video player and select the download option. By this, you have successfully downloaded an Amazon product video. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more e-commerce video tutorials. Thanks for watching.